Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. In today's video, we're going to talk about a product that's been circulating online recently, the Ventix Cordless Vacuum. Many ads claim this vacuum offers strong suction, easy cordless cleaning, and several useful attachments. But the question many buyers are asking is simple. Is the Ventix Cordless Vacuum legit? Ventix, or should you be cautious before buying? According to the product page, the Ventix Vacuum is designed as a lightweight stick cleaner meant for everyday household use. It's advertised as a cordless device that can help clean floors, sofas, corners, and even car interiors. The website also claims that the vacuum comes with different attachments, so users can switch between various cleaning tasks easily. Cordless vacuums have become extremely popular in recent years because they're easier to handle compared to traditional plug-in models. Without a cord getting in the way, cleaning different rooms or tight spaces becomes more convenient and quicker. Many well-known brands have already built strong reputations in this category. For example, models like the Dyson V7 Motorhead cord-free stick vacuum are widely known for their strong suction power, rechargeable batteries, and ability to convert into handheld vacuums for smaller cleaning jobs. Because these premium vacuums can be expensive, many newer or lesser-known brands now sell similar-looking cordless vacuums at much lower prices online. While some of these products may still perform reasonably well, others may not deliver the same quality or durability. One important thing to watch out for is that newer websites sometimes have very limited verified customer reviews. Without independent feedback, it becomes harder to know the true performance or reliability of the product. You may also notice marketing tactics like limited-time discounts, flash sales, or countdown timers on the product page. These strategies are common in online shopping, but they can sometimes push people to buy quickly without doing proper research. So what's the final verdict? The Ventix Cordless Vacuum does appear to be a real product being sold online. However, there isn't a lot of reliable third-party information available about the brand yet. That's why it's always best to compare it with trusted vacuum brands, check independent reviews, and research the seller carefully before making a purchase. Thank you.